Do you dread the word taxes? You're not alone. For many, taxes feel like a complicated, unavoidable burden. But what if I told you that countless individuals are unknowingly leaving hundreds, even thousands of dollars on the table each year, simply because they don't understand the fundamentals? This isn't just about paying what you owe. It's about claiming what's rightfully yours. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to demystify tax principles and show you legitimate ways to keep more of your hard-earned money. Important disclaimer. Please remember, this video offers general educational information and is not financial or tax advice. Tax laws vary significantly by country and even by state or province. Always consult with a qualified tax professional for your specific situation. Let's start with the absolute basics. What exactly are taxes? In essence, taxes are mandatory financial contributions levied by governments on individuals or corporations. They are collected to fund public services and infrastructure that benefit everyone. From roads and schools to healthcare and national defense. Understanding your gross income versus your net income is fundamental. Gross income is your total earnings before any deductions. Net income, often called take-home pay, is what's left after taxes and other deductions are subtracted. While the specifics differ, common types of taxes include income tax on your earnings, sales tax or value-added tax, VAT, on goods and services, property tax on real estate, and capital gains, tax on profits from investments. This is where the real savings begin, understanding the difference between deductions and credits. Think of it this way: deductions reduce your taxable income, meaning you pay tax on a smaller portion of your earnings. Credits, on the other hand, directly reduce the amount of tax you owe. Dollar for dollar. They're incredibly powerful. While the specifics are country dependent, many tax systems offer common deduction categories. These might include mortgage interest payments, student loan interest, contributions to certain retirement accounts, or charitable donations. Credits can apply to things like education expenses, childcare, or energy-efficient home improvements. It's crucial to research what applies in your specific region. What's a deduction in one country might be a credit in another, or not exist at all. One of the most effective long-term tax strategies involves utilizing retirement accounts. Programs like 401ks and IRAs in the United States, or their equivalents in other countries, offer significant tax advantages. Contributions often reduce your current taxable income, leading to immediate savings. The magic lies in tax deferral. Your investments grow over decades without being taxed annually. You only pay taxes when you withdraw the money in retirement, often when you're in a lower tax bracket. Some accounts even offer tax-free withdrawals in retirement, provided certain conditions are met. Starting early maximizes the power of compounding and allows you to build a substantial nest egg while simultaneously lowering your tax bill year after year. If you're investing, you'll eventually encounter capital gains tax. This is the tax levied on the profit you make when you sell an asset, like stocks, real estate, or other investments, for more than you paid for it. A key distinction is often made between short-term capital gains and long-term capital gains. Short-term gains, typically on assets held for a year or less, are usually taxed at your ordinary income tax rate, which can be high. Long-term gains from assets held for more than a year often qualify for a lower, more favorable tax rate. Strategic approaches like the buy and hold method, where you hold investments for long periods, can help you qualify for lower long-term capital gains rates. Another advanced strategy, though more complex, is tax loss harvesting, where you sell investments at a loss to offset capital gains and even some ordinary income. No matter how many deductions or credits exist, they mean nothing if you can't prove them. Immaculate record keeping is your best friend when it comes to taxes. Keep every receipt, bank statement, investment report, and relevant document organized, whether digitally or physically. This saves you headaches and ensures you don't miss out on eligible claims. While this guide provides a foundation, knowing when to call in a professional is crucial. If your financial situation is complex, you own a business, have international income, significant investments, or major life changes, a qualified tax advisor is an invaluable asset. They can navigate intricate laws, identify overlooked deductions, and ensure you're fully compliant, potentially saving you far more than their fee. Think of it as an investment in your financial peace of mind. To recap, remember these key takeaways. First, actively research and understand the deductions and credits available in your specific country. Second, maximize the power of tax-advantaged retirement accounts to lower your taxable income and grow your wealth. Third, strategically manage your investments to optimize for lower capital gains taxes. Fourth, maintain impeccable financial records throughout the year. And finally, don't hesitate to seek professional advice when your situation becomes complex. Taxes are an unavoidable part of life, but overpaying shouldn't be. By being proactive and informed, you can legally claim what you're entitled to and keep more of your money where it belongs, in your pocket. Take control of your tax destiny. Start by researching one new deduction today. What's your biggest tax question or a savings tip you've discovered? Share it in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a like and subscribe for more essential financial insights. We'll see you in the next video.